it's a beautiful day over there. All right, so we got greenhouse beauty happening today. Yeah, mostly reclaimed. All this wood we got from, a lot of the wood we got from an old garage that was torn down. But we've got posts in pretty well plumb. You can see if we align it to the house, we got just a little bit of, but we're pretty close. And then we'll do the same thing with, yeah, see how that's aligning to the back. See how this bottom one's aligning to the bottom edge of the house. So we're pretty darn level, pretty darn plumb. Not too bad. We're gonna get 3 windows in across. So here's our old windows that we tore out. So we'll stack them on top of each other, get them in there, and we should have a greenhouse by the end of the day. Hopefully soon we'll have some fresh veggies in that beautiful, beautiful greenhouse. All right, getting to work. See you soon.